Hello and welcome to the day ahead. It is Thursday, August the 25th. I'm Andrew Gagan. Well, US and European shares gained in choppy trade as investors try to anticipate if the Fed will slow rate hikes or remain aggressive. Wall Street ending higher, lifted by gains in energy stocks, with all 11 S&P 500 sector indexes rising, lifting the overall index 0.3%, the Nasdaq up 0.4%, while the Dow rose close to 0.1%. Recent quarterly results, which have generally beaten estimates, has seen the S&P 500 recover 13% from its mid-June lows. Boosting the Nasdaq, accounting software maker Intuit rallied almost 4% after forecasting upbeat fiscal 23 revenue. And after the bell, Salesforce dipped 6% following its quarterly report, in which it cut its revenue forecast on a higher US dollar and lower IT spending. Shares in graphics chipmaker Nvidia fell after forecasting a 17% drop in revenue on the year on the back of a weak gaming industry. Then Peloton surged more than 20% after the stationary bike company said it would sell its products on Amazon in a bid to boost sales. However, Nordstrom fell almost 20% after the retailer cut its annual revenue and profit forecasts. Well, anticipation is building on markets ahead of a speech at the end of the week by Fed Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell at Jackson Hole, with the dollar rising along with treasury yields. Yields on both the German and US 10-year notes rising to 8-week highs, while the British short-dated government bond, that yield there hitting 14-year highs as energy fueled inflation fears. The US 10-year rising to 3.1% and the 2-year is up to 3.4%. Major currencies were mixed against the US dollar. The Aussie currently is 69 US cents. In US economic data, durable goods orders were flat in July. Excluding defence equipment, orders rose 1.2%. Manufacturing, which accounts for close to 12% of the economy, remains supported by low inventories. Pending home sales fell a less than expected 1% in July, while mortgage applications continue to fall. Well, a positive open is expected on the local share market this morning. ASX futures currently up more than 0.4%. Global oil prices have risen on the prospect that an Iran nuclear deal will not eventuate, and US crude inventories fell by 3.3 million barrels in the past week, more than 3 times that was forecast. Brent crude is up 1% to $101 a barrel. Iron ore futures rising marginally while base metal prices are lower, nickel falling 1.8%, and the gold futures price rose slightly. Bitcoin and other crypto assets have risen along with US equities. Well, on the reporting cards today, the travel sector dominates with Qantas, Air New Zealand and Flight Centre all reporting. In the media space, Nine Entertainment, Sky Network TV had their results. Other names to report include Woolworths and Viva Energy. Flight Centre details those reports have just dropped. Underlying loss there of $360.9 million, FY22 revenue of $1 billion, and it does not anticipate full recovery from COVID in the financial year ahead. That is your day ahead. We'll see you again tomorrow.